Rob. Say hi to Rob. Here's our package. We're gonna be unboxing the package. Love, love, love. You say hi to everybody. Okay. Hi, everybody. Siya anak. Wait, Bam. Oh my gosh, you got lots of stuff, Bam. Ooh. What is this? Your toothbrush. You got your toothbrush and stuff. Toothbrush and stuff. Okay, next. Put the bag. Good model. Wow, you got your backpack. Yay. How do we put this on? Yeah, bali pa ni Pam. Here, Bam, let's see if you fit. Okay. Hurry up. Okay. Hello, did it fit, Bam? The other way. There. Come up here, Bam. Very nice. Very nice, BamBam. Very nice, BamBam. Your other leg here. You want to go to the office with Mommy? And then you put your hands, ouch, ouch. Hold a very perfect fit, Pam. Wow, very nice. Okay, okay, don't move, anak. Hala, hala. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Oh, that is good. Yeah, next one, next one. I like the quality. Oh my gosh, BamBam, you got your shoes. Very cute. And then, oh, you got your bed na, Bam. You got her bed. Woo-wee! Very cute. Very cute bed. Sige, anak ka diya. You sleep there, oh. It's pink. You probably like pink. You go on top of there. Duh. There's more. Oh, ganache sa yung bed. You like your bed? You like your bed? And then last but not the least, very nice. No, thank you, Daddy Scott, for the gifts for BamBam. And then the toothbrushy. Well, thank you, Daddy Scott. Thank you, Daddy Scott. Thank you, Daddy Scott. Bye.